Hello guys, welcome back once again in my session. In this session, we'll see sum number 7 from MPO lesson. Okay, I'll read the sum. I'll read the sum. From the following transactions of receipts and payment account of Pavan Putra Hanuman Vyamshala Prabhani and the adjustments given, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019 is as follows. Okay, this is receipt side and this is payment side. This opening balance of cash in hand will not be recorded. Always remember, last time भी मैंने बताया था सम नंबर 6 में. तो ये है रिसीट्स, ये है सब्सक्रिप्शंस. सब्सक्रिप्शन, ये जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है 18,000, ये है अपना लास्ट ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन. कैसे मालूम पड़ा? डेट से मालूम पड़ा. ये डेट देखो, ये 2019 है, राइट? तो आपका करंट ईयर क्या है? आपका करंट ईयर ये है 2018 टू 19, ये करंट ईयर, राइट? हमारा ये डेट भी वही है. और नेक्स्ट ईयर कौन सा रहेगा? नेक्स्ट ईयर आपका रहेगा 2017 टू 18. ओके, नेक्स्ट ईयर है. और लास्ट ईयर कौन सा रहेगा? अब देखो, करंट ईयर का डेट देख के बताओ. 2017 टू 18. ओके, सो देखो, अभी ये जो 2018 19 18 ओके, ये करंट ईयर है, ये लास्ट ईयर नहीं, ये करंट ईयर है. हाँ, ये करंट ईयर है, सॉरी. ठीक. और ये 1920. नेक्स्ट ईयर 1920 नहीं रहेगा. नेक्स्ट ईयर आपका रहेगा 2019-20, ये रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये देखो, करंट ईयर ये अपना 18-19, यहाँ से मालूम पड़ा. तो ये नेक्स्ट ईयर है और ये लास्ट ईयर है. अभी ये जो डेट है ये कौन सा है? ये नेक्स्ट ईयर है. So I'll write here for your information, this is the next year. Okay, so total 18,410 सब्सक्रिप्शन आया, जिसमें से 18,000 करंट ईयर का है आया है और 14 नेक्स्ट ईयर का. दैट मीन दिस इज सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस. डोनेशन, ओके, रिसीट्स ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट, इंटरेस्ट, एंट्रेंस फीस, and here salaries, entertainment expenses, and expenses, electricity charges, rent, investment will go to the asset side. Printing and stationery, postage and telegram, fixed deposit too will go to asset side. Then this is balance. Balance carried down, ये आपका है cash in hand and cash at bank. This will go to balance sheet. ये नहीं जाएगा, ये ओपनिंग बैलेंस है. ये नहीं जाएगा, ये क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है. ये जाएगा बैलेंस शीट में. दिस इज द एडजस्टमेंट. There are 500 members. Okay, so in organization there are how many members? 500 members are there, and annual subscription is rupees. Annual subscription is rupees 50 each. That means every member will be paying rupees 50. Okay, outstanding. So we are having adjustment, will put a tick. Then outstanding salary, here is the salary, we'll put a tick. Then assets as on 1/4/2018, these are the opening balance of assets. Building is this much, furniture is this much. Provide depreciation on building and furniture 5% and 10%. So we are having adjustment on building. Is there building? No, building is not there. So याद रखना है हमको, building पे भी adjustment है. and furniture. Is there furniture? फर्नीचर भी नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. प्रोवाइड डिप्रिसिएशन बिल्डिंग, ओके, ठीक है. एंट्रेंस फीस आर टू बी कैपिटलाइज्ड. एंट्रेंस फीस यहाँ पर है, विल पुट इट, इसको यहाँ पे नहीं लेना है, इसको कैपिटल में लेना है. 50% इंटरेस्ट फीस कैपिटल में लेना है, नॉट एंटायर. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट एट 5% per annum has accrued for 6 months. So I'll tell you the effect afterward. Capital fund is 70,000 as on 1/4/2018. Okay, so we'll start posting students. I'll show you the format. This is the format of income and expenditure account. We have to change this name. This is Pavan Putra Hanuman Vyamshala. Okay. ठीक है. So this is a format income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019. We'll check the date. Okay, date is correct. And this is a balance sheet, students. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Okay, we'll start posting. First क्या है, ये है कैश इन हैंड है, इसका हमको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सब्सक्रिप्शन इनकम साइड में जाएगा. बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन. कितना है सब्सक्रिप्शन है करंट ईयर का 18,000 है. विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन योर कॉलम 18,000. इसके नीचे लाइन छोड़ के हम लोग रखेंगे 18,000. ये नेक्स्ट ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन है, तो ये जो नेक्स्ट ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन है ना, ये हम लोग डिडक्ट कर देंगे फ्रॉम करंट ईयर सब्सक्रिप्शन में से. ओके, सो हियर आई विल राइट. ओके, लेस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने नेट अमाउंट लिया है. ये देखो, इसको लेस कब करेंगे, जब हमको ये बाइफरकेशन ना दिया हो तो हम लोग लेस करते हैं. डोनेशन के कुछ बोला एडजस्टमेंट में, कुछ भी नहीं बोला है. सो डोनेशन इज 6,000. विल टेक इट एज इनकम. यहाँ पर फ्यू लाइन छोड़ के रखेंगे. बाय डोनेशन 6,000. Receipts from entertainment 5,400. $5,400. Then outer column, because there is no adjustment. Then entrance fees adjustment is as 6,200. Entrance fees कितना है? Entrance fees is 6,200. We'll write it in inner column 6,200. Next, salary 6,000. अभी ये सब एक्सपेंडिचर में जाएगा. 2,480. So I'll write here in outer column 2,480. Then sundry expenses 1,300. Expenses 1,300. Electricity charges 1,200. Expense side. To electricity charges 1,000. 1,200, rent 700 to rent 700, investment 15,000, asset side, investment 15,000, printing and stationery 800, printing and stationery 800, then postage 3,200 to postage 3,200, then fixed deposit 3,900, asset side, fixed deposit 3,900, asset side 2,380, और कैश एट बैंक है आपका ये 6,000। ओके, क्वेश्चन में जाते, ठीक है, डन। नाउ एडजस्टमेंट, फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट, देर आर 500 members paying an annual subscription is ₹50 each. So इसका कैलकुलेशन कैसे होगा? Let me tell you. I'll write here calculation. Total members टोटल मेंबर्स कितने हैं? टोटल मेंबर 500 मेंबर है, इंटू 50 रुपीज़ ईच। हाँ, ईच, तो कैसे हो जाएगा? देखो, 500 मेंबर इंटू 50, सो दिस इज मतलब total subscription should be rupees 50,000। 50,000, बट आए कितना है? 18,000 आए। हाँ, कितना और आना चाहिए था? 7,000 आना चाहिए था, तब जाके आपका हो जाएगा 25,000। तो ये 7,000 है ना, ये क्या है? ये है आउटस्टैंडिंग, जिसको कि हम लोग करेंगे ऐड। ओके, सो 7,000 इज आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन, दिस मच इज रिसीव्ड, दिस मच इज रिसीवेबल, एंड टोटल शुड बी दिस मच। सेकंड इफेक्ट, आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन, दिस इज सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीवेबल, इनकम रिसीवेबल, दिस इज asset, income receivable is asset to the organization. We'll go to the balance sheet asset side and we'll write here subscription for current year. This is कितना था सब्सक्रिप्शन? 7,000 था। ओके, डन। क्वेश्चन में नेक्स्ट देखो, ये एडजस्टमेंट हो गया है। नाउ आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी इज 1200, विल गो टू द एक्सपेंडिचर साइड, सैलरी इज इन एक्सपेंडिचर, विल ऐड, जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है विल बी एडेड, आउटस्टैंडिंग 1200, so it will be 7,200. This outstanding salary is liability, so we'll go to the balance sheet liability side, and here I will write outstanding कितना? 1,200। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट हो गया है. नाउ इसका एसेट बिल्डिंग 50,000, फर्नीचर 15,000. Inner column because there is adjustment and furniture is there. Furniture is 15,000. Okay, building 50,000, furniture is 15,000. Now provide depreciation on building and furniture 5% and 10%. We'll go to the balance sheet. Here we are having depreciation is always to be deducted. Depreciation is 5%. So I will do it 50,000 into 5 upon 100, 2,500. So here it will be 47,500. Now here too we will write less depreciation, but इसका 5% नहीं है, इसका depreciation है 10%. So 15,000 into 10 upon 100. Now here 15,000 minus 1,500 is 13,500. Now second effect of these two is need to be given in expense side because this is depreciation, right? So depreciation is always loss to the organization. So we'll go to the expenditure side because this is loss, and I'll write here to depreciation on. First is building 2,500 and then furniture 1,500. So total is 4,000. Next, this is done. 50% entrance fees is to be capitalized. We'll go to the entrance fees. Where is this? Entrance fees is here. So I'll deduct what is to be capitalized. How much is to be capitalized? 50% is to be capitalized. So 50% is 3,100. We'll go to the balance sheet capital fund. Here I'll just write capital fund. Whatever is the fund, we'll get it afterward. But I'll add here entrance fees. How much it is? 50%, and 50% is 3,100. This adjustment is done. Now this one, interest on investment at 5% per annum has accrued for 6 months. So this is the adjustment on interest. Accrued means interest is generated for 6 months and the rate of interest is 5%. So I'll show you working in balance sheet side. See, this investment is taken over here. There is no place is there. There is no place to record this adjustment. So what I'll do, I'll take it from here to here and I'll erase it from here, and this I'll take in inner column. I'll show you working over here. What is the amount of investment? It is 15,000 into rate of investment is, we'll check it again, it should not go wrong, 5% for 6 months. So 5%, so 5 upon 100, we need interest not for the whole year, we need interest for 6 months. So 6 upon 12, this is 375. It has to be added with the existing investment. Because this is outstanding. 375. So we get here 15,375. Second effect of this interest on investment, this is income. So we'll go to the income side and I'll write here interest on investment. Into bracket I'll write receivable. Okay, 375. Now go to the adjustment. This one is done. Capital is 70,000. Balance sheet liability side, here I'll write 70,000. Now all adjustments are done. Okay, so first we'll go to income and expenditure side and we'll close these account. We'll make the total of both the side. This is 20,880 and this side total is 40,275. 40,275. Which one is higher? This side, income side is higher. Now higher amount will be recorded on both the side. Okay, this side is less. So यहाँ पर क्या करने का? 40,275 minus lower amount. What is lower amount? Okay, so we'll get this much difference. 19,395. Okay, this is what? This is known as surplus. And here into bracket I'll write income is more, right? So excess over income side is more, so I'll write here excess of income over expenditure. Now I'll go to balance sheet. Here I'll add surplus. I'll add surplus. How much it is? 19,000. We'll check it. 19,395. 19,395. Here it is 73,100. Now we'll take grand total 73,100 plus 19,395. 19,395 is equal to this much. This side total is 19,695. 93,695. 93,695. Oh, not here. Not here. 90,695. I'll check the total once again. 93,695. 93,695. And this side total is 93,655. 6,955. I'll check it again. 93,655. 93,655. 93,655. Okay, so it is not tallying. I'll check the difference. I'll check the amount once again first. 93,695. 93,655. So I'll check the difference. 93,655 minus 93,695. We are getting 40 rupees. So where is the mistake, students? There are two mistakes. One is this, cash in hand is 830 and we have taken here 380, so I'll make it 830. Okay, and in question, see, this is 410, right? 410. This is next year's subscription received in advance, so we have to take it. Okay, we don't have to ignore it, we have to take it. This is received in advance, so it will go to balance sheet liability side because this is income received in advance. So I'll write here subscription received in advance 410. Now I'll check the total. This side is 94,105 and I'll remove this, otherwise we'll be confused. And this side total is 94,105. Okay, so this balance sheet tally. Here too I'll write 94 1. Okay, here balance sheet is tallied. So students, where we had made mistake in taking this amount, so be very careful while you taking this amount, while you post this amount. And this is next year's item, this is received in advance, so we don't have to ignore it, we have to take it. Okay, so in this way students, you have to solve income and expenditure account and balance sheet. I hope you must have understood, and the mistake what we may make, that you will try to avoid the mistake what you must have observed over here. Okay, so get a lesson from mistakes what I had made, so that you won't repeat it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.